The choice of CRM that you make can alter how you interact with your customers and how you actually build relationships with them. Choosing the right CRM is very important. Today we're having a look at Microsoft Dynamics and we're having a look at Odoo, and we want to see what you should actually be using for a CRM. Let's check them out. So the first thing we're going to do is jump into Microsoft Dynamics. So some of the things that you can expect from Microsoft Dynamics is a seamless integration with other Microsoft Office products and other services, which can enhance your productivity as well as your user experience for organizations that are already using those tools. Also, Microsoft Dynamics CRM offers extensive customization capabilities, which allows you and your business to tailor the software to your specific processes and workflows. The software includes advanced reporting features that provide insights into sales performance, customer interactions, and marketing effectiveness. With built-in artificial intelligence, Microsoft Dynamics CRM helps users predict customer behavior and trends, improving decision-making and allowing you to make data-driven decisions rather than just guessing in the dark. The platform also offers advanced security options, including encryption and user access controls, ensuring sensitive data is very well protected. One or two of the drawbacks, however, is that new users may find the software very complex and difficult to navigate through initially, where some other softwares in the same league are a little bit easier to navigate through. Also, it does have a higher cost for some of the premium features, while the base offering is competitive. Accessing some of the premium features can lead to quite significant higher costs. Let's jump into Odoo now. Odoo is an open source, allowing for extensive customization as well as scalability that can really be tailored to fit a unique business process. Besides CRM, Odoo offers a massive suite of integrated business applications, including inventory management, accounting, HR, and so many more if you go and have a look on the platform under one single platform. The platform also features a modern user-friendly interface that really simplifies navigation, and it enhances overall the end user experience. Odoo's pricing structure is also generally a little bit more affordable, particularly for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a comprehensive solution and an all-in-one platform. And also a strong community of developers are on Odoo. So developers as well as users you have access to communications with. Odoo benefits from shared resources and documentation that really foster collaboration and learning. It's just a great environment to be in. One or two of the drawbacks, however, of Odoo is while it is versatile, it may lack some of those advanced CRM features found in some of the competitors, some of the more established platforms that we may have looked at before. Also, as an open source platform, the quality of customer support can vary, unfortunately, which can be challenging if you are in need of immediate assistance. Now, as you can see, both of these platforms are fantastic. However, the key takeaway here should be to go and use both of them and see which one works best for you in a real world scenario. If this was helpful, drop us a like, share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time.